Hi, welcome to the Fishial.AI tutorial video on how to join a new team. From the About page, you're going to navigate using the left side navigation towards Team. You can see here that you have a notification letting you know that you have one new team invitation. This means that somebody has invited you to join their team. Click on that invitation and then click on whether you accept or reject that invitation. If you click accept, the team will now pop up in your team settings, showing you the other team members. You can then navigate towards the team summary and towards the team images. Thank you for watching the tutorial video on how to join a new team.